Duck on this music. Let's go.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel once again. Thanks for tuning in today to watch our video. If you are new here, welcome. We do reviews on this channel. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming here to watch my video. So this is the hair we are reviewing today. So I got it from Vemet and it came with hair net. So the hair is 22" and this hair, can you guess the price? I'm so surprised. This is just $16 and it came with that headband as well. I like the Angelina cloth they use for the headband, so beautiful. So it is $16 and I got it from Vemet. It is 12", very beautiful and affordable. You can see it does not tangle, free to comb, very beautiful. So if you're watching me right now and you want us to do your product review, what are you waiting for? Please, you can bring it and I will do the review for you. So we do all kinds of reviews, not only hair reviews, anything. We can review your cola nut. In fact, review that is just by the way. Anything that you want us to review, we can do it here, or any advert you want us to do, you will do it here. So you can see that it is easy to install. You just throw it on, then you wear, then you are good to go. Very, very beautiful, and above all, the price is very extremely affordable. This one you can buy as many as you want. Okay, very, very, very affordable, so beautiful as well, and it is soft, very shiny. You can see that, very, very shiny, very, very smooth, and also beautiful as well. I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to leave you here. Just enjoy the rest of the video and know that without you, this channel will never go far. So please take good care of yourself and eat very well for me. I will be leaving all the link and everything concerning the hair in the description box. Please check it out and click on it, visit them. Remember, the brand is Vemet brand, $16, 22". So I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of the video. I love you all.